Hi, I'm Aprilanne Hurley, inviting you to join me right now for the inside look at California living. Find out why it's just more fun living in California. California living starts now. The next design area we took a look at was the wine cellar.
Yes. Very big difference. Nice transformation.
Thank
really.
you. This is the lounge for the wine cellar. Why don't we go in there and take a look, and we can come back and visit.
Perfect.
Great.
Thanks.
Oh, Michael, this is absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, Jenny.
Tell me about some of the features that you put into this space.
Well, the cabinetry was done by California Closets, and it was very easy. They just came in, measured. I told them what I wanted, the finishes, what features for the wine racks.
Oh, that's nice.
And they did it in a matter of days.
I think one of the things that I find interesting about this space is that it really isn't very large, yet look what you've been able to do with it to create a whole new environment for the homeowners here.
Sure.
How can others do the same?
Well, there's a lot that you can do in the home on your own. It doesn't have to start off grandiose wine cellar with 1,000 bottles of wine. You can start off small, get cabinetry installed, and as your collection grows, you can grow your wine cellar as well.
We just passed through the lounge or retreat. Let's check that out.
Great.
All right. So this space was something that I really was looking forward to seeing. I think Linda felt the same way because it had a lot of potential, but really there was nothing here. So tell us a little bit about how you created the sophistication and the coziness that we feel here.
Okay. Well, it was a difficult room to start with because it's both a hallway, as there's rooms on either side of it, and it needed to be locked in and have sort of a seating area. And in order to accomplish that, we used these chairs that can sit.
Create that boundary.
Right.
Yeah. So what this really does is give ideas, really inspiration in how a space that perhaps you're not doing anything with, a small area outside of it that you can create a cozy environment and just sit and relax and to watch television, a movie. It's just such a really nice addition to this home, isn't it?
This is a very dark room, and it's really transformed. You've done a lot with it so that it's useful and functional in many ways. And in particular, I love the gate that's over there.
Beautiful job, isn't it?
About bringing in the outdoors and lightening it up, and the sound of the water from the fountain.
There's a lot of openness with the door open, and it just makes things flow better. You can feel it.
Well, Michael, thanks so much for taking the time to show us the wine cellar and your retreat you've created. I think I may be, if you're looking for me, you may find me here.
Or in there.
Or in there. Here's another look at the wine cellar before the work got done. And here's what it looks like now. Absolutely beautiful. What a great use of space. Thanks for joining us for this inside look at California living. I'm Aprilanne Hurley. And be sure to catch us next time for another look at why it's just more fun living in California.